हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बायोलॉजी स्पेशल क्लासेस। देखो, आपने यहाँ तक नोट्स लिखे थे। अब देखो, मैं आपको नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स से बता रही हूँ। नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स, प्लॉइडी, यूप्लॉइडी, अनयूप्लॉइडी, मोनोप्लॉइडी n, डिप्लॉइडी 2n, पॉलीप्लॉइडी 3n, 4n, 5n एक्सेट्रा। हाइपोप्लॉइडी, हाइपरप्लॉइडी, मोनोसोमी 2n-1, नलीसोमी 2n-2, ट्राइसोमी 2n+1, टेट्रासोमी 2n+2। इसको आपको लेबल करना है वेरिएशन इन क्रोमोसोम नंबर प्लॉइडी। ये हो गया इसका लेबल। उसके बाद में है नोट्स। The term ploidy speaks for the degree of repetition of the primary basic number of chromosomes that in X in a cell. When the chromosome number of cell in exact the primary basic number, then it is called euploid. Euploids include monoploid, haploid with one set of chromosome where X equals to n. Number 4, diploids 2n-2 set of chromosomes. Triploid 3n-3 set of chromosome, सॉरी माइनस नहीं है ये, 2 सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, 3 सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम। टेट्राप्लॉइड मीन्स 4n, 4 सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम। फिफ्थ, when the chromosome number is not multiple of haploid cell, it is described as aneuploidy. Describe. Aneuploid is decation or deletion of one or more chromosome. Monosomy, nalisomy, trisomy, tetrasomy. Next, structure of chromosome. ये डायग्राम आपको दी गई है, ये आपको निकालना है। ये बीच वाला जो पार्ट है सेंट्रोमियर, मैट्रिक्स, ये जो आपको ये दिख रहा है ये है मैट्रिक्स। उसके बाद में इधर क्रोमोसोम का स्ट्रक्चर दिया है, क्रोमोनीमेटा, CHROMONEMETA, सेकेंडरी कंस्ट्रिक्शन 2, ये जो है प्राइमरी कंस्ट्रिक्शन सेंट्रोमियर, और ये है सेकेंडरी कंस्ट्रिक्शन 1 सैटेलाइट बी। Chromosomes are visible in metaphase because at this stage chromosomes are highly condensed. Chromosome consists of 2 chromatids joined together at primary constriction. Primary constriction consists of a disc-shaped plate called kinetochore. At the kinetochore, spindle fibers get attached during cell division. Besides primary constriction, some few chromosomes possesses additional 1 or 2 constriction called secondary constriction. At secondary constriction 1, nucleolus become organized during interphase. A satellite body, sat body, is attached at secondary constriction in very few chromosomes. Each chromatid in turn contain a long unbranched slender highly coiled DNA thread called chromosome extending through the length of chromatid. Chromatid consists a double-stranded DNA molecule which extends from one end of chromosome to other. नेक्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स, ये हेडिंग है टाइप्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोजिशन ऑफ सेंट्रोमियर, chromosomes are classified into following types. Number 1, metacentric chromosome. Centromere is situated at the center and two equal arms are produced. Therefore, in anaphase, the chromosome appear as V shape. ये डायग्राम फिगर मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. Second, submetacentric chromosome. It is present near the center of chromosome. The arms are slightly unequal. डायग्राम ये बीच वाला सेंट्रोमियर और ये दो अनइक्वल आर्म्स. फिगर सबमेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. नंबर 3, एक्रोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. Centromere is located at the subterminal position, that is present near the end of chromosome. During anaphase, it forms J shape. ये डायग्राम फिगर एक्रोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. नंबर 4, टीलोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. Centromere is located at the tip of chromosome and only arm is present. Only one arm is present. It is rod-like in shape. ये डायग्राम ये हो गया सेंट्रोमियर, ये आर्म. फिगर टीलोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. Chromosomes are responsible for inheritance of character. They regulate the protein synthesis and help in cell division and cell growth. अब ये नया हेडिंग सेक्स क्रोमोसोम. सेक्स क्रोमोसोम यहाँ डायग्राम दी है. ये है एक्स क्रोमोसोम, ये हो गया वाई क्रोमोसोम. ये दोनों बीच वाले जो है ये सेंट्रोमियर है. ये जो नीचे वाले दो हाफ है, ये जो मैं कलर कर रही हूँ देखो, इसको कहते हैं होमोलोगस रीजन. और ये ऊपर वाले जो है ये है नॉन होमोलोगस रीजन. ए है ये एक्स क्रोमोसोम, ये हो गया वाई क्रोमोसोम. ये डायग्राम निकालनी है. उसके बाद में फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द क्रोमोसोम्स विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल for the determination of sex are known as sex chromosome. Human being and other mammals have X and Y chromosome as sex chromosome. X chromosome is straight and rod-like, longer than Y chromosome. X chromosome is metacentric and Y chromosome is acrocentric. Euchromatin has large amount of DNA material, hence genetically active. X chromosome has a large amount of euchromatin, extended region and small amount of heterochromatin. Highly condensed region. Y chromosome has small amount of euchromatin and large amount of heterochromatin, hence genetically less active. Both X and Y chromosome show homologous and non-homologous region. Homologous region shows similar gene while Non-homologous region show dissimilar gene. Crossing over occur between homologous region of X and Y chromosome. Non-homologous region of chromosome is larger, contain more gene than that of the non-homologous gene. X-linked gene are present on non-homologous region of X chromosome, while Y-linked gene are present chromosome, some present on Y link chromosome. Next है क्रॉसिंग ओवर, इंटरचेंज ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग क्रोमोसोम, क्रोमोसोमल पार्ट between the chromatids of homologous chromosome which result in recombination of genes is called crossing over. It involves 4 steps. Number 1 synapsis, number 2 tetra formation, tetrad formation, number 3 crossing over, number 4 terminalization. Number 1 synapsis. In the diploid condition, one set of chromosome is formed, the male parent and the all form or other are formed female. Every chromosome from the male set has an exactly identical parent from the female set. Such as pair of identical chromosome is called as homologous chromosome. In zygotine stage of prophase 1 of meiosis, homologous chromosome come close to each other and forms a pair and this pairing is called synapsis. And the pair of homologous chromosome is called bivalent. Next, tetrad formation. Bivalent chromosome coiled around with each other and undergo condensation, resulting into formation of 4 strands or chromosome. The structure is called tetrad. Number 3 crossing over. Interchange of chromatids is called crossing over. It leads to reshuffling of genetic material of parental chromosome from parents to offspring along with sex is called sex linked inheritance or sex linkage. Sex linkage is of 2 types, incomplete and complete. Number 4 termination. At the end of crossing over, their sister chromatids began to separate from each other and terminate the process of crossing over. ओके, यहाँ तक आपको नोट्स लिखना है, इसके आगे के आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिल जाएंगे.